Yes, be ready. Start. The applicant on 22nd September 2009 again requested for voluntary retirements under the aforesaid rules, and this time wide order dated 9 November 2009. The applicant's request was accepted and he was permitted to retire with effect from 31st December 2009. Stop. A copy of the order dated 9 November 2009 was also endorsed to the under bracket P and V department of the respondent's organization. Stop. New para. Before the applicant could retire, the aforesaid charge sheet was issued to the applicant, and senior counsel for the applicant forcefully argued that issue of charge sheet is not bona fide on account of the following. Under bracket A, the charge sheet relates to a period of 2003 and the company concerned, as well as the managing director of the company had been duly proceeded against and also fined as early as in 2006. Stop. In 2004-2006, the applicant was kept under suspension. Stop. As such, the respondents could have issued the charge sheet at the relevant point of time, and having so not issued issue of the charge sheet just 2 days prior to the date of voluntary retirement smacks malified. Stop. There is absolutely no reason whatsoever to remain silent from 2006 onwards without issue of a charge sheet. Stop. It is only in pursuance of prompt action taken by the applicant against the company concerned that had entailed proceedings against the Lecham Group of companies, and further his action did yield revenue to the exchequer, and as such the so-called allegation that a huge sum of money remained at stake during the incumbency of the applicant is only a figment of imagination. Stop. The retirement of the applicant with effect from 31st December 2009 was approved in November 2009, while in 2007 the same was rejected. Stop. Had there been a concrete decision to proceed against the applicant, the respondents would not have given the permission. Stop. In fact, a copy of approval for voluntary retirement was also endorsed to the under bracket P and V department of the respondents as invariably prior clearance from vigilance angle is obtained by the administration at the time of granting permission to voluntarily retire. Under bracket D, it is not known from whom was the advice received to issue charge sheet. Stop. The applicant belongs to Group B service, and consultation is not contemplated in the rules for consultation either with UPSC or with CVC. Stop. In so far as the charge sheet is concerned, it would be curious to note that all the relied upon documents pertain to the period of 2003. Stop. Over.